it's Connie. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to give access to different team members, to employees, to your company YouTube channel without having to do it a way where you're having to give authorization codes. So YouTube has made it very easy. They have a business account, which they refer to it as a brand account. And so if you don't have your YouTube channel set up as a brand account, highly recommend you taking a look at this tutorial that Google provides for us, walks you through step-by-step how to set up a brand account. So I will send you a link to this tutorial. I'm going to send you a link because one, it will be always up to date based on whatever changes I'll make in the future. And then two, I already set mine up as a brand account, so I won't be able to walk you through step-by-step on how that looks. And so let me know if you have any questions, but this should walk you through how to set up a brand account. It's actually pretty easy. Secondly, once you are on your page, and I'm showing you my page currently, I'm going to do a little plug here. If you are not following my YouTube channel, I would love for you to follow me at Connie J. Pack. And this is where I share just different marketing tips and tricks. So thank you in advance. Would love to have more of you guys subscribing. And back to what we were talking about. So basically you go and click on this picture of you in the corner. So go down to the settings and it takes you to this page. So what we're going to be doing is we're adding or removing managers. So in this case, I want to add someone to the team so they can help me upload videos. You click add. It's going to ask you to sign in again because you want to verify that it's actually you. So let me just sign in here. And once that's verified, you can go back and click Manage Permissions once again. And when you do that, you click on this Invite New Users. And by doing that, now you can just add an email address. So for example, I can add connie@conniejpack.com. It's already on there, so I'm actually not going to click add, but just to walk you through, I would give them manager access so that they're not owner, but yet they can still upload videos, they can edit the keywords and the descriptions and things like that, and you send an invite. So they will then get an invite in their email, they accept the invite, and they'll be able to now access your YouTube channel through their login. And at any point, you're able to also remove people if you'd like as well by clicking on the X right next to their name. I hope this helps, and please let me know if you have any other questions.